Okay, guys, welcome to the live chat room. And this is the Asian session. And it's already May 15, Wednesday in the US, which is actually Thursday, May 16 in Asia. And you're looking at the dollar Canadian 15-minute chart. You can see that prices peaked yesterday at the US session. And I think there was some Canadian news, wasn't it? And then started trickling to the downside ever so slightly. So we just entered short here on a market order at 101.54. We're targeting 15 pips. Our stop is minus 15. You can see that this trade is currently up a couple of pips. Okay, welcome AK. Oh, I just limited out here on this Euro Aussie. 15 pips. So I've got, I'm also short on the Aussie dollar, long on the dollar yen, and short on the euro. Okay, so let's go check on the dollar yen, and we'll come back to this euro Aussie where I just made 15 pips. Oh, okay, hello AK, sorry about that. I had my microphone on mute, Richard. I just made 15 pips on the euro Aussie here. I went long on the break of this 130.34 candle. And I also just a few minutes ago entered the dollar yen long at 31, 102.31. And that yen is up 7. Our euro trade is up 4. Okay, let's see here. Okay, here's the dollar yen. You can see that I typed in possible buy 102.30. And the price now is at 39. So this trade is up 8 pips. So this trade was literally entered just one candle ago. You can see just here on this dashed line. So we're going to try and get our normal 15 pips or more on this trade. Currently we're up 6. Okay, I don't want to lose this chart, so I'm going to open a 1 on the euro dollar where we're currently up 5. Euro dollar, where's that? There it is. Yeah, this euro dollar, we shorted this during the Asian session at the price of, you can see here, we're currently up 5 pips. Shorted it here at 128.70. Okay, so I'm going to put this on the side there. And then finally, I have one open trade on the Canadian that's a little bit underwater. That's the only one that's underwater. Okay, so I'll open a chart for that Canadian so we can see all my 3 open trades here. And I have several more pending trades. I think there's a euro pound short. Okay, let me just open the Canadian. Oh, we're up 10 on the yen. Okay, so British pound. Do I have a pending in the British pound? Short. A little bit hard to manage. Okay, so I think we're gonna pause. We got enough open trades right now. Okay, guys. So the dollar yen is up 11 pips here, and then what's the other trade? We have the euro, right? Where's the euro? Oh, the euro's up 9. Okay, let's go. And oh, the Aussie dollar did 25 pips. Euro Aussie is still going. Yeah, my dollar CAD gets stopped at minus 15. I went the wrong way. So what do you want to guys do in the euro? Let it run, huh? To the target. We're trying to go for 20 pips here. Dollar yen. Oh, did I short the Aussie in this account? Maybe not. I don't think I did. Yeah, I forgot to. Yeah, it hit. Yes, you hit 15 pips. Okay, yeah, we hit 43 already in this. Okay, welcome to the room, Judith. Judith, I got stopped on that Canadian, but the euro is up 10, and I entered the dollar yen, currently up 8, and I limited out on the euro Aussie for 15. And then on this other account, I took, I can see I shorted the Australian dollars at 98.65. It made 25 pips in a very short period of time. Yeah, this trade took 15 minutes to make 25. So there's a lot of, I mean, look at it. We just basically started the London session and all these trades just happened. Insane, huh? Versus in Asia, we sit there waiting and waiting. And there's like no momentum. Hmm. Yeah, this Canadian is really tough trade. I mean, well, I was going the wrong way. I was going the wrong direction in the Canadian. And I really I could have moved my stop tighter, like 60 instead of 15, because I had a new swing low here, swing high. Okay, so we're, I think this dollar yen has got a lot of potential to crack that 43. Let's see if we met it. What's the high in the dollar yen? Oh, it's 44 now, AK. 98.65 was my Australian trade. Yeah, so a little bit later I'll show you my Australian and my Euro Aussie trade. Right now, let's see where this euro is gonna go. Well, it's probably a good idea to take profit here. It's amazing. Look at where price stalled here on the euro because of this swing low. Let me just draw a line. The question is, will it continue? Okay, so coming back both the euro. Hello, Jeff. Welcome to the room. And my Canadian got stopped, Jeff, minus 15. But looking back, I got in at 54 here, really. If you follow this, the stop would be just here now. It would be at 67. No, I can't read this thing. 63, 64, 65. It should have been just minus 11, but I got hit for minus 15 there. But made okay on two trades right now that have open equity. No, a little bit. We gave back. We were up 10 earlier on both. But I want to show you the Aussie dollar, which I shorted, and also the. I mean, all at once. It was just crazy. Euro Aussie was so fast. It was like a matter of not even 5 minutes. I'll show you the Aussie chart. Aussie short. All Willy box trades. Oh my, look at that. All 15-minute chart. Okay, look at that. Huh? Actually, I entered at what? 85? Yeah, I entered 80. No, wait. Let me just see. 98.65. Okay, 98.65 is where I entered. There. In fact, it was kind of late. I wanted to enter here, but I entered on I just clicked it. It was dropping here. Yeah, I wanted to enter the break of 72. Got in at 65, and you can see what happened here. Awesome. And then the Euro Aussie, which I took also. Wow, those are two good fast trades. And I think they were both market orders because it happened so fast. Yeah, this is just the mirror opposite. Euro Aussie's mirror opposite of the Aussie. Yeah, you can see here. This is where I started thinking, this could be going up, and I got in, and it was a one candle trade. It's still going. It's already gone up 35 pips. Okay, so so we have my open trade. Here's the euro. I said we were up 11 earlier. Okay. Yeah, you're talking about the Aussie, right, Jeff? Yeah, I mean, boy, I tell you, this Aussie is like really nice to trade, but only go short, no longs. Okay, we're up 11 and 9 again. Okay, so we're up 12 on the euro, 10 on the dollar yen, and wow, it's this euro Aussie and Aussie dollar just keeps going. Okay, we're approaching 43 once again, AK on the yen. So let's see if we can get this one. So the euro dollar, guys, here's my target. I might take off at 15. In fact, I will, because you can see, check out this euro dollar. Okay, this is the congestion zone, but my target, the 20 pip target, is below. I want it to be above. Okay, so this is what I mean by adjusting. Look at the trade, and I keep adjusting. So I think I'm going to make it 15, so at least one of them will be out of the way. I got in at 70, so I'll make it 55 target. It's now at 59. We got down to 57. That's back to 60. So what did I say? 55 will give us 15. It's coming back. Okay, guys, I have two open trades. I'm going to close the euro dollar. It's up about 10 pips, so they're 9.9, 10. I closed the euro dollar plus 10.2 because we, the yen is also up between 8 and 10. So just trying to close down trades. Look at that. Oh, Aussie dollar straight down. Okay, so look at this Euro Aussie and Aussie dollar. I traded both of these. The Euro Aussie made 15 pips in like 5 minutes, and the Aussie made 25 pips in 15 minutes. It's the kind of trades you dream about, huh? The one candle trade. Okay, so I'm out of the euro. I tell you, what a big difference when you're, compared to when you have 2, 3, or 4 open trades. Now I only have one. It's very relaxing for the mind, especially if it's green and plus 9. Okay, guys, we have a new trade that triggered on the Swissy. I put a buy stop at 96.80. You can see that price right now is 86. I got like a 2 pip slippage here. I don't know what happened, but you can see on the left side we have the 1 hour chart, and the final target is up here, almost at 96.45 or so, and we got in at 96.80. So we got a another level where it might stall is here. So there's plenty of room to the upside on the Swissy. Okay, and it looks like we broke this level here was what needed to break, and that broke already. So we're looking good in this trade. It looks really good. Chart wise, I mean, I'm not even talking about how many pips, but just on the potential, it looks good. So we have an open trade on the dollar yen that's been around for a while, and you can see I entered here 102.30. I'm gonna type it in. We bought this, we buy stop 102.30, and the key figure to break was 102.44. So let's see if we're going to break that this time. We attempted to break it here, it stalled. And now that London has opened, let's see if we're going to get more firepower to bring it to the next level. The level would be here that I'm looking at. But actually, I just set my target at 102.50, but really, yeah, that's enough. That would be 20 pips. Not going to be greedy here, because you have this swing high over here at 50, 51. So yeah, 50 is a good take profit zone. 20 pips. Okay, guys, this dollar yen is now approaching a double top here. We're trying to break that 44 level, 102.44. I just changed the target to plus 10. Okay, so when it hits 41, I'm there. Wow, talk about timing. We just limited out at 41 plus 10 and done. So I don't even know what the score is, but we made a bunch of pips tonight. So we have an open trade. Let's go review our open trade on the Swissy. Oh my gosh, are you serious? We're up 16? Steven, you're just missing all the party today. The last time I looked at this, we were up 3. And actually I had 2 pips slippage, so our target is 20 on this Swissy. Okay. Okay, so let's give it some time. Let me just check something here. Aussie's still coming down. The Kiwi's still coming down. Wow. Huh? This is a trade we just placed just a little while ago on the Swissy. Up 12 and 14. Anybody take profit yet on the Swissy? Okay, I'm going to start closing down some of this. This is another account. I have Swissy. I have 2 entries. I think I know what happened. I entered at 80 and entered at 82. So I'm going to look at it. Up 17 pips. It's called close. Close. So close position 65 pips today on this one. Okay. Not too bad. Okay, Jeff took 16 pips. Yeah, you know what? I'm going to close this, guys. It's been a heck of a day. I'm just going to close at market. I'm tired. Okay. There we go. I think I closed it at 12.7 when I looked. Luke closed it at 16. So Jeff is out at sweet 16. Yeah, that's because of the 2 pip slippage here. Maybe I made an error. Steven says, good trading as usual. Well, we've had 2 fantastic London sessions, Steven. And there were several other trades that we missed as we reviewed, and we did a lot of education. I think, how are you guys enjoying this class? I'm having fun, actually. I'm having fun teaching and making pips in front of everybody.